Hi, my lovelies. You remember when in the Bible it was recorded that someone sold their birthright for a pot of porridge? I mean, you remember that porridge was made in a hurry and without any prior plan. Come closer, come closer. Let me teach you how that porridge was made. Very easy, but today you're going to learn it. First thing, you need your yam and you need your dry spices. You need black pepper, you need chili, you need crayfish, you need seasoning cube, you need garlic and ginger powder, you need turmeric, and you need black pepper and some cloves powder. Is that next thing? You're going to cut the yam. We're cutting this yam in such a way that it doesn't have any roll, to be honest. All you just need to do is make sure you remove the impurities, remove everything that is unwanted in the yam, right? And then just cut it into irregular shapes. There's really no fanciness about it because it's not like you're serving the yam alone. It's going to be in a porridge. So once that is done, and again, remember, this is like a budget friendly porridge, so we're just going to make do with what we have. But stick with me, we're going to get this right, and it's going to be really lovely. So once that is done, you can see I'm just cutting them into irregular shapes, and next thing, we're going to pour it into a pot of sizzling palm oil and onion. When we do that, we pour in all that dry seasoning, no water yet, and then saute this yam, the herbs, and seasoning with salt for about 3 to 5 minutes. Please show this mixture some love, massage it, caress it, do every good thing to it, and then give it some flavor with your smoked fish. Remember, we're on a budget, so at this point it's time to introduce our hot water just to continue the cooking process, and then we cover it up to cook for a bit while we go in search of other ingredients that would give this our porridge some more life, isn't it? Mix that thoroughly and then cover it to come to a boil and possibly cook. And well, the search is over, and then we got some blended pepper that has very bright future, so we're going to add it to this our porridge, and then it's going to give our porridge some life and some color and some brightness and all those good things. We're making progress, aren't we? Cover this and let it mix for a bit and go in search again for other things. We found some things. We had some smoked goat meat, some assorted meat, we had some smoked liver, and oh God is good. Now we just pour that in. Because it's cooked, it doesn't need to stay for too long, and our yam is getting cooked as well. We cover it and just give it some life. Go again, go to the bush and look for other things. My goodness, we found some pepper, we found some spinach, we found some spinach leaf, we found some pumpkin leaf, we found some red habanero pepper and yellow habanero pepper, and we are giving this, because it looks like the destiny is bright, we want it to come and give the destiny of our porridge present brightness. So yeah, we'll pour it in and give it some mix, give it some love, and look at what we have ready. When you taste this, it's going to take you back home. Did you enjoy this video? Did you love it? Do you want more of it? Thank you very much. Please subscribe, comment, like, share. And if you want more of these recipes, let me know. Now it's time to go and eat, guys. Go and get your plate. I know you're salivating already, but you know what? Just go and recreate and come back and tell me what you think. Till then, bye.